Economic inequality, polarisation in society and intensifying environmental dangers are the top three trends that will shape global developments over the next 10 years. That's according to the 12th edition of the World Economic Forum's Global Risk Report published today, which notes that at least two of those factors helped trigger major political changes during 2016. One of the report's authors was Cecilia Reyes, Chief Risk Officer at Zurich, the insurer. So, Cecilia, who did you speak to when you compiled the report?
Yes, it's a global risk perception survey. We have over 745 participants of the World Economic Forum community. So these are participants coming from the academia, the businesses, civil society, NGOs. They all participated in assessing 30 global risks and 13 trends.
Now, one of the big themes that I guess overrides all of this is that the world is becoming a more inward-looking place. It's becoming less cooperative. That's rather worrying when probably we need more global cooperation over things like climate change, terrorism and so on, isn't it?
Yes, exactly. We highlight two of the top three trends exacerbating the risk landscape being, rising income inequality, social polarization, and these are exacerbating the risks and triggered the underlying currents behind the global political developments that we've seen in 2016.
Now, in a country like Britain, income inequality is actually falling. Why don't many people seem to think it is?
Well, there's always a difference between perception and facts. But nevertheless, having said that, it is increasing. And this is, a very strong trend that we're seeing exacerbating those risks. One of the most interconnected risks that we found in this report is unemployment or underemployment and social instability. And income inequality is one of the drivers of that. It comes from unemployment and underemployment.
Now, talking of unemployment, you go into the report quite a lot about technological change. Now, technological change in the past has created as many jobs as it's destroyed. Is there a danger now that it's going to destroy more jobs?
Yeah, there is a risk. And what we call the fourth industrial revolution is highly disruptive, especially in the employment space, the labor space. And the risk is it's eliminating more jobs than it creates. And it's, the type of jobs is also increasing in complexity. So it's no longer blue-collar jobs that are being eliminated more and more into white-collar jobs with the use of artificial intelligence, machine learning. So the disruption is quite significant.
Briefly, Donald Trump obviously tapped into the anti-politics mood. What's going to be the impact of Trump? Is it too early to say?
Certainly too early to say. That's a huge uncertainty, and it's very difficult to really predict, because what's important is not what he said during the campaign trail, but exactly what policies he's going to implement and what the outcomes are.